Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this month we are doing a monthly highlight spread. I have not done this on my channel I think ever. So this month we're using a Sadie Stickers Oops Printpression monthly kit that my friend Mimi sent me. As you can see, I'm also showing the washi that I'm using and the pen, which is the Parkoo 0.5. Apart from like scribbling like a few notes, I think this was the first spread I actually use it in, and I really like it. As you can see, I did rip up some of the page there when I was trying to rearrange that, but I mean the large sticker covers it. So school, mostly my school schedule, work, and also my podcasts I've been doing have kept me from being able to release regularly lately. But I have a bit of time now. This is Thanksgiving weekend when I'm doing this voiceover, and I filmed this spread when it wasn't even the end of September, so you can kind of tell how long it took for me to edit this and stuff. So anyways, I am using a lot of stuff from the kit. Of course, now I'm just going through and dating the boxes because it didn't come with date dots. For the washi, the kit has foiling of rose gold. However, I had this kind of purple Printpression washi tape that kind of matched the color. It was silver, but I decided to use it in the end anyways. So I guess for this monthly highlight spread, I'll talk a bit about how my life has been so far. Prepared for the background noise. I'm sorry, my laptop has decided to make a lot of noise, and also my awkward silences. So a lot of things happened in September. I can't say all of them, but I did start school. As usual, I'm going into grade 11. So just 1 year away from graduating. So it's been hard. I mean, I have one spare this semester, and no spares next semester, which starts mid-January. But on top of my current course load, I will also be taking another course during night school. It's pretty much throughout my semester too. It's just one course, and of course it's fully online. But I mean, I already have this much. I don't know. We'll see if I continue taking it, because it's not required. It's just an extra credit, so I don't necessarily need it. It's just, I guess, good to have. So moving back to the spread a bit, this first week visited the embassy. Unfortunately, because of COVID, you have to schedule pretty far in advance, and we didn't have the necessary documents, so unfortunately we had to reschedule it. And then just next week was the first, I guess, week of school. So I mentioned how our school is handling COVID and blended learning. I'm studying fully online from home, but for everyone else, our school has decided to go with alternating Wednesdays. So basically, if you're in the group A, then you'll go to school on Monday, Tuesday 1 week, and then the second week you'll go to school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then group B goes on Thursdays and Fridays, and the next week Wednesday, Thursdays and Fridays as well. So that's kind of how it works. And when you're not at school, you're doing either meetings online, or the teacher will just assign work to do. It's been working great so far. From what I hear, there haven't been any cases of like community spread or people not following, like the safety protocols. So that's very, very good to hear. Anyways, moving along to something that's not quite planner related. I switched podcasting apps recently, and now I'm using Pocket Casts. By the way, the following stuff is not sponsored. I don't have like an affiliate link either or anything, but it's honestly one of the best podcast apps I've ever used. there are a lot of like player controls and filtering settings. All of the basic core features are free, but they also have a pretty cheap monthly or yearly subscription model, which I ended up paying for a few days later. I listen on a lot of devices, and most other podcast apps I think don't have the ability to sync, you know, your play history, your actual podcast history and stuff over. And Pocket Cast does. It has support for pretty much any app. You can sync between mobile devices for free, which includes my tablet. But I ended up paying the $1.29 Canadian a month, so I could sync to my laptop. With the premium version, you get the Mac and Windows app, and also a web app. Anyways, enough rambling about podcast apps. I did do a small write-up or like comparison thing on my personal blog, so if you want to check that out, that is there. Again, this was not like sponsored or anything, I just really like the app. So anyways, finishing up with this spread, there are a few days without numbers. I don't really know what to call it, like blank boxes. So I did cover that up with some full boxes from the kit. There were a lot of them, and I didn't end up using all of them. Again, like I mentioned at the beginning, I didn't plan out or finish out this spread completely. I did do it on like the 28th or something, so that's why the boxes weren't filled in at the time. So here's a small wiggle. I love all the silver and rose gold. Here are all of the stickers that are left over. As you can see, I used most of the full boxes, but there are a few boxes left. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!